welcome to SuperDash, your admin control center for everything Stride Kick challenges. This walkthrough will take you from creating your first challenge to pulling your final report, so you can spend less time setting up and more time getting your group moving. To get started, head to superdash.stridekickapp.com and log in using the same email and password you use for the Stride Kick mobile app. Once you're in, you'll land on your SuperDash dashboard, and that's where we'll get started. Creating a challenge is where everything starts. This is where you set your name, dates, modes, and goals, everything participants will see within the challenge. First, you'll want to click on Create Challenge from your dashboard to get started. You'll fill out a name, description, and optional prize. All three are visible to participants, so make them count. You'll also need to upload a challenge image. That's required, and it'll show on your participants' challenge page. If you need some examples, feel free to visit this link on Unsplash. Next, you'll want to set your start and end dates. Unlimited plans support up to 90 days, but 30 days or less is the sweet spot. Shorter challenges drive better engagement because people can stay focused when there's a finish line they can see. Next, you'll want to choose your challenge mode. You can add up to 3 modes in one challenge, so you could stack a streak mode for daily consistency, an individual leaderboard on steps, and a team leaderboard, all running at the same time. Each mode gets its own tab in the app. On streak, target, and stick to it modes, you can turn on personalized goals. You'll set a range, say from 3,000 to 15,000 steps per day, and each participant picks their own target within that range. This is great for groups with a wide range of fitness levels. You can also set an optional daily activity cap. This would be the max activity that counts towards the challenge per day. This keeps the leaderboard fair if you have outliers logging extreme numbers. Once you have all of your modes and the challenge details are finalized and selected, you'll click Create Challenge and you're ready to go. Once your challenge is live, you need to get people in it. SuperDash gives you 2 ways to do just that, a shareable invite link and a challenge code. From your challenge overview page, copy whichever works best for your group and drop it in wherever people will see it. Email, Slack, Teams, a text thread, a QR code, whatever works. The invite link will also walk users through downloading the app if they don't have it yet. Participants who choose to use the challenge code will need to first download the app and create an account. Once you've set out your code and links, you'll see your team populate in your participants table real time. If you have a challenge running already, you can also add participants from existing challenges from here. Don't forget to check out our communications templates and top tips on inviting participants. If you're running a team leaderboard or team virtual race, this is where you'll build your team structure. Find it in the Manage Teams section of your challenge overview. It will only appear once you've selected a team mode. You can create teams yourself, give each one a name and optional image, or let your participants create their own teams in the app. If you're creating teams, you can also set a maximum team size if you want balanced groups. Remember, participants will need to join the challenge first before you can assign the team to them. Team leaderboards are ranked by average steps per person, not total steps, so teams of different sizes can also stay competitive. Once your challenge is running, this is also where you'll manage your teams. From the Manage Teams section on your challenge overview, you can move participants, edit team details, and delete teams. To move someone to a different team, open their current team, select them, click Remove, and Confirm. Then you'll want to open the destination team, click Add Members, and add them back. A person cannot be on more than one team. To edit a team, you'll click the team name, select Edit Team Details, and from there you can update the name, avatar, or cover image. Then you'll just want to click Save Changes and voila. To delete a team, open the team detail page again and click Delete Team, or select the team row in the Manage Teams table to reveal the delete button. Participants will still stay in the challenge, but they'll lose their team assignment and can be added to a new one once you delete a team. Announcements let you send messages directly to your challenge participants, whether that's updates, motivation, milestone callouts, whatever keeps the energy going. Groups that send them tend to see better participation and completion rates, so we highly recommend taking advantage of this new feature. From your admin dashboard, go to Announcements and click Create Announcement. You'll add a title, keep it short, under 25 characters, and your message in the description field. You can also optionally add a call to action button with a URL. This URL can go anywhere, whether that's a help article, a YouTube video, or even your internal intranet. Finally, you'll want to add an image to make it more visual. Then you choose your audience by selecting which challenges you'd like this message to go to, and you can decide whether you want to schedule it now or for a specific date and time. We always recommend toggling on a push notification if you want to get participants to see an alert on their phone. The most recent announcement is what participants see first. A simple rhythm that works well is a kickoff message on day 1, a halfway nudge, and a final day push. Set all 3 up right before the challenge starts and schedule them out in advance. One less thing to manage mid-challenge. Reports are how you close out a challenge and recognize your participants. SuperDash generates them per challenge mode, so if you ran 3 modes, you'll run a separate report for each one. You'll find the mode you want on your challenge dashboard, and then you'll click Run Report. It will download as a CSV you can open in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find all downloaded reports in the Reports section of the menu. You'll get participant names, activity totals, connected devices, and latest sync dates. Everything you need to close out a challenge. There's also a participant report in your challenge participants table. This is useful if you want to match usernames to real people or pull contact information after the challenge begins. We always recommend not to reward just the top stepper. Your report gives you the data to recognize consistency, biggest improvement, and even the first to hit their goal. That approach drives better engagement across the whole group. We've even created an AI prompt playbook in the Help Center, which turns your CSV into a ready-to-share summary in minutes. When your challenge ends, duplicate is your best friend. Instead of rebuilding things from scratch, SuperDash carries over your existing settings, teams, and structure. Most groups tend to run challenges monthly or quarterly, and this is what makes that sustainable. And of course, easier on you. You'll open the menu on any completed challenge and click Duplicate. Update your dates, tweak anything based on how the last challenge went, and launch. It's that simple. That's the full SuperDash walkthrough. For a closer look at any of these features, check out the individual videos in this series. If you have any questions, visit help.stridekick.com. From all of us at StrideKick, happy stepping.